Hi guys, welcome into my channel. In today's video, let's make a Kienyeji chicken. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Let's bring our Kienyeji chicken into a boil. I've added bay leaves and some rosemary. Let it boil until the meat is soft. For the sauce, let's add some vegetable oil. You can also use olive oil. Add the red onion and saute. Here we just sweat the onion until translucent. You don't need to brown the onion. Once done, we add the chicken masala. We add in the tomatoes. You can use some tomato paste. I like to use the mixed herbs. Add in some salt to taste. Our Kienyeji chicken is ready and we add it into the sauce. Let's stir the chicken until it coats well. I had strained my chicken, so we are going to add the stock. Then after that it's done, let's cover the chicken and let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. You can add some hohos or what we call capsicum. Stir for the hohos to incorporate in. Cover for some few minutes and our chicken is ready. You can serve with your preferred accompaniments, either ugali, chapati, rice. Stay tuned for the next video.
Subscribe.